At first glance, a composition of geometric blocks is revealed, L-shaped and rectangular volumes that seem to fit together like pieces of a game, floating within the landscape. This harmony between form and place defines the Tetris House. We are on the island of Antiparos, in the Greek Cyclades, a flat terrain surrounded by neighboring properties on 3 sides, opening only to the west, where a protected forest area extends. Instead of turning toward the sea, as many coastal houses do, this structure closes discreetly inward and organizes itself around an internal courtyard with a pool, a gesture of both introspection and openness. Upon entering, the path flows along the edge of the courtyard pool, between architectural blocks, toward the platform that houses the social areas. Water acts as the nucleus of daily life, connecting indoor and outdoor spaces. Its architecture begins with an existing concrete frame, an unfinished structure left standing for more than a decade due to local building regulations. In a gesture that combines respect for the site's history and efficient use of resources, only the minimum was removed. New geometric volumes were inserted with precision. The strategic placement of volumes around the central pool forms this internal courtyard, balancing open views and privacy in areas where construction exists or is expected. In this way, the house moves away from a conventional layout of isolated rooms and proposes a more communal concept of living, with water as the central element of daily life. Smooth white walls, local stone, floor-to-ceiling glass, and water stretching toward the horizon, every element contributes to a materiality that is both powerful and serene. The material palette, white, gray stone, and clear glass gives the house a sense of quiet power. Here, luxury lies in restraint, in the essential rather than the excessive. The simple geometry allows light to enter with precision perforations, subtle openings, and solid volumes contrast with one another. An external staircase provides direct access to the rooftop terrace, strengthening the connection to light, horizon, and natural ventilation. On the upper level, the living room and master suite open onto two distinct landscapes, the port to the north and the protected vegetation to the west. The courtyard pool is not just aesthetic, it is the axis of living, shade, leisure, and connection between interior and exterior life. Tetris House shows that architecture can be both rigorous and generous, discreet yet strong. The logic of fitting together volume, light, water, and landscape creates a place where living means being, observing, and breathing in harmony with the surroundings. Here, the house does not dominate the landscape, it emerges from it.